Hello, hello, hello. It's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Kathy, Tracy, and myself. And our Mini Kit Monday host for the month of August is Becky. She selected this mood board as our inspiration piece for the month of August. This is the photograph that I'm going to document, and I'll come back to the story behind the photograph. And here are the 3 sheets of paper that I have selected. So my main foundation layer is the crepe paper from the Summer Market collection. I think that's the collection's name. I can't see the branding strip anymore because I just trimmed it off. Next, I'm bringing in the pattern paper with the 4 different colored dots that are grouped together. And I'm going to place that on an angle to the upper left-hand corner, as you can tell, and then I'll put another angle in the lower right-hand corner. Then I'll trim off the excess paper. Then I'll bring the darker mint paper, which has blue, scripty, pre-printed words on it that state, "In it to win it, beautiful life, follow your dreams, heart of gold, happiness is here to stay, dream big," etc., etc. After I secure my paper layers down, I use my fingernail to rough up the edges just to provide some more interest and depth to this layout. Then you'll see me grab my box of washi tape, which hold black and gray washi tape. And from that washi tape container, you will see me select the word hello, hello, hello that repeats. And then I pick a thinner washi tape that has a geometric design. It's really, really tiny, but at the very end of this video, you can freeze the video and zoom in and you'll be able to see that geometric design. So while I am just a little bit ahead of myself, I want to remind you, if you would like to play along, we have a Facebook group site, and I will have that link listed below in the description box. And what you do is you put your kit together, you snap a photograph, you upload it to the August album, and then every layout that you create, and you could possibly win a $25 gift certificate from Becky. Also, check out the other Mini Kit Monday ladies videos over at YouTube, and those links are listed below in the description box. Now back to my layout. Now here is where I am securing the washi tape down, and I show you how I do it on the left side of the layout, and then I just repeat that design on the lower right side of the layout. Oh, and before I forget it, let me tell you about the photograph. This photograph was taken in 2020 during October, and it was kind of misty, rainy outside. And this is a piece of property going up the unpaved road to our mountain retreat property. So you basically can say this is one of our neighbors up at our mountain retreat property. And I just love this barn shed and his tractor. So I asked our neighbor if we could do a little photo shoot, and he said certainly. And so we did. Now back to my layout. All right, so I have this little memo type tag here, and it has been pre-punched with a notebook edge, and then I take my finger and rough it up just to add some more interest to this layout. And then I will secure those layers down to my foundation page, as you can tell, using my favorite ATG gun. Then I will take those group of die cut flowers that you see over to the right, which came from a Paige Evans collection, and I will layer those in the lower right hand corner of the photograph. I will use a combination of my ATG gun adhesive and some foam tape, and I will tuck that foam at various corners of those flowers just to add some more visual interest to this layout. Then I will bring over the succulent die-cut leaves, which are now covered up under my ATG gun, and I will tuck them over there next to the photograph. Now, one of my challenges for the month of August is to use these matted gold alpha words that came out in a fall collection from Jen Hatfield, as you can see there to the left. And so this page doesn't really have a title. It kind of just has favorite word phrases I love to use to express my love of autumn. I selected the word grateful, thankful, beautiful, love. Then I bring in 3 chipboard pieces from a Cartabella collection, and I bring in the one that says family, the and sign, and then a long chipboard piece that you can see right there in the lower left-hand corner, and it says, if you want to change the world, go home and love your family. Next, I take a tab from the Pink Fresh Studio sticker sheet, I trim it off, and I tuck it to the left underneath my photo mat. Then, what do I do next? Oh, now I remember. I get out my Tim Holtz Distressed ink and black soot, and I ink the outer edge of my 12 by 12 foundation page. And it just softens the edge around this layout, and it draws your eye back to the photograph. Then for the finishing touches, I add ink splatters to the background of this layout, and I edited that out in error, and I truly apologize. All right, please keep coming back. I appreciate you all. Get out your photographs, document those memories in a fun, creative way. We'll see you next time. Bye.